everybody, Holly here from Holiday AnyDay, and I've got another Tipsy Tuesday tip for you. Valentine's Day is coming up, so why don't we make our own chocolate covered strawberries? It's super easy to do, way less expensive, and then you can customize them however you like. So all we do, take a big fat strawberry, wash and dry them real good, grab the leaves. I've melted some chips, some chocolate chips, or you can just get those little candy discs at Michael's or one of those kind of stores. Then all we're gonna do is this. Drop that little guy in there. Take another one. See how simple this is? I mean, your kids could do this and it'd be a fun little thing for them to do as a fun little surprise for mom or dad. There. Why don't we drizzle them with a few pecans? And there we go. It's easy breezy.